This iReport that we want to show you comes from 16-year-old Brandon Breeze. He shot this. Here it is. He and his father were just passing through a Carlsbad neighborhood when they witnessed this house just explode. So joining me on the phone is Brandon. And Brandon, just describe to me, we're looking at some of your pictures. I imagine you saw a lot more than what you all were able to share. Tell me what you saw.
Oh, it was so intense. We're just walking up to this house, and it's completely engulfed in flames. And as we're watching it, we're just watching it, just a deafening blast as a huge ball of fire just comes out of the house. It was intense.
Were you seeing anyone? I know you don't live in Carlsbad. You all just happened to be there and were walking through, you and your dad. What were people saying who lived in the neighborhood?
Oh, there was this one woman crying. She was bawling her eyes out. I felt so bad for her. And then there's this other guy just like yelling at firefighters to save his home. It was just really, really intense.
It makes my stomach churn looking at the pictures, not just your pictures you shared with us, but the pictures on the left side of the screen. And you can see all the flashing lights here of the firefighters on the ground. And hopefully with the wind conditions, they can attack this from the air. But final question to you. I know you don't live in Carlsbad. Are you okay? Are your friends, your loved ones, is everyone all right?
Oh, I'm well. I am doing very good. And everyone I know is well. I don't know anyone that's actually hurt from the fires, but
that's
yeah.
a good thing.